Good evening. Let's start the Oxford syllabus of mathematics for grade O levels. Chapter number 4, vectors. Exercise 4a, question number 7. The column vectors a and b are such that a is equals to x minus 3, 2 minus y, and b is equals to 5 minus x, y minus n. If a is equals to b, find the value of x and y. Let's start the question. As this is 4a, question number 7. Part 1. If a is equals to b is given, so a is equals to x minus 3, 2 minus y, and b is equals to 5 minus x and y minus 9. According to given condition, a is equals to b, both vectors are equal to each other. So the first value of a is x minus 3. It would be equal to first value of b, 5 minus x. By solving this minus x shift to the left side, it will become positive x is equals to 5. This minus 3 shift to the right side, it will become positive 3. X plus x, 2x is equals to 5 plus 3, 8. So x is equals to 8 divided by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. So x is equals to 4. Now the second value of a is 2 minus y is equals to second value of b is, because a is equals to b, y minus 9. This 9 will shift to the left side, it will become 2 plus 9 is equals to y will shift to the right side, it will become positive y. Nine plus 2 is equals to 11 is equals to y plus y, 2y. This will equals to 11 divided by 2 is equals to y. It will become 5 by 2, 5 is 10, 5 by 1 over 2 is equals to y. So the first part and a solution is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5 by 1 over 2 or 11 by 2. Both are equal. This was the first part. Second part is write down the negative of as a column vector. So by putting in the column, a is equals to, instead of x I am putting 4 minus 3, 2 minus 11 by 2. This is 4 minus 3 is 1 and we are taking LCM. So it will become 11 minus 4, 7. 7 by 2. Answer would be negative. I am solving this is by the taking LCM. For example, 2 minus 11 by 2, taking LCM, 2 to the 4 minus 2 1 the 2, 1 11 the 1, 11 is equals to 11 minus 4, 7, minus 7 by 2. So this is 7 by 2 and the negative of this vector is 1 become minus and 7 over 2 becomes positive. I am writing this on the next page. As this is minus a is equals to minus 1 and 7 by 2. and putting these values in b vector, b is equals to 5 minus x, instead of x I am putting 4, and y minus 9, 11 by 2 minus 9, which is equals to 5 minus 4, 1, and taking LCM 2, 11 minus 9 2 is 18, which is equals to 1. 18 minus 11, we have 7, minus 7 over 2. This is b vector, and the negative of b is equals to minus 1 and 7 by 2. This was the solution of b part. Now c part. First question, c part. Show that magnitude A is equals to magnitude B is equals to root 53 over 4. So let's take out the magnitudes of A, as vector A is equals to root x square plus y square. By putting the values, we have x number is 1 square plus y is minus 7 by 2 square is equals to root 1 square is 1 plus 7 square is 49 and 2 square is 4. Minus minus plus, it minus square is plus, is equals to root, taking LCM, we have 4 ones are 4 plus 4 ones are 4, 1 49 is 49, which is equals to root 4 plus 49 is 53 by 4, which is equals to right hand side. As the right hand side is 53 by 4 and left hand side is magnitude of A, that is proof that root 53 by 4 is equals to right hand side. So B vector is also same as the vector A, so its magnitude is also 53 by 4. This is proved. C part is proved that it is equal, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Now part 2. If magnitude A is equals to magnitude B, express y in terms of x. So we cannot put the values of x and y. We have to use this vectors as they are given, x minus 3 and 2 minus y. So by putting their magnitudes equal to each other, we having root x square plus y square is equals to root magnitude of B is x square plus y square. By putting the value, x of A is x minus 3 square plus y's values is 2 minus y square. Root of this is equals to root of x of B is 5 minus x square plus y minus 9 square. Now solving this, first of all taking square on both sides. We have root x minus 3 square plus 2 minus y square is equals to square of this 5 minus x square plus y minus 9 square. This square will cancel the root and this square will cancel this root. So left amount is x minus 3 square plus 2 minus y square is equals to 5 minus x square plus y minus 9 square. Now opening the formula, as we know, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So by solving this formula, according to this formula, we have x square plus 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 2ab, 2 3s are 6x, 6x plus 2 2s are 4 plus y square minus 2 2s are 4, 4y square, 4y only, 4y is equals to, now 5 5s are 25, a square is 25 plus b square is x square minus 2ab is 5 2s are 10, 10x plus y square plus 81, 9 9s are 81 minus 9 2s are 18, 18y. Now as you can see that this is x square is positive and equal to the opposite to equal, x square is positive. If I turn this x square to the left side, it will become minus x square plus x square minus x square will cancel out each other. X square and x square will be cancel out. This y square and this y square will be cancel out. Positive y square minus y square cancel each other. Now we have 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13 and minus 6x minus 4y is left numbers. This is 25, this is 81. 81 plus 25. 81 plus 25 is equals to 106. 106 and this is minus 10x and minus 18y, and we want y in terms of x. So left we will shift the y value here. It will become positive 18y. 18y minus 4y is equals to 106. This 13 will shift to here, minus 13. This is minus 10x. This minus 10x will shift here to the right side. It will become positive 6x. 18 minus 4 is 14. 14y is equals to 106 minus 13. 93. 93 plus minus 10 minus 6 4 minus 4x. Now this 14 is multiplying. It will shift to the right side. It will be divided by the values. 3 minus 4x divided by 14. This is the y in terms of x. This is the solution of the second part of the question. Now B part is Explain why A might not be equal to B. A is equals to B. As I have shown that this is the vector A 1 over minus 7 by 2 and same is vector B. By putting the value we have 1 over minus 7 by 2. These are equal. This is the solution of all the parts of question number 7. If you need any help, any type of query, then let me know. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.